All right, so just put a tube in this rototiller tire here, and I know I got tired of chasing these tire irons around and just having the tire move around right after you. So what I've done is I put this valve remover onto the tube so that it doesn't fall in while I'm doing this. And I've seen somebody else on YouTube use these small vice grips to keep the tire from getting past where the valve stem is. Crank this over, and then what I found is if you get a second pair of these vice grips, clamp that there, then that'll keep it from coming back around as you go to the next spot. All right, and then take that pair, move that around, small bites, follow it around. Then bring your tire around so the valve lines up. Air it up. Hope that helps you out. Thanks for watching.